Good morning. So today we're driving the van up to Northumberland because I want to go to Hen Hole with the Three Sisters Waterfall. So this is where we're parking. I hope that you can see. Excuse Todd, he's having a wee. So it's the College Valley car park. There's a few cars in there, beautiful views. And here we have a little notice board which is going to show you where we are going. So we are here. Apparently they have a lot of red squirrels in the area as well. So I'm just going to show you the views because it is February, but it is an absolute beautiful day for February. So I'm just going to get the hiking boots on and I'll see you soon. So this is the waterfall that I'm looking for. Three Sisters, Hen Hole. So hopefully it'll be nice and full because it is winter. And this is the map here. So here, this is where I've parked. And as you can see, it borders Scotland. Sorry, I'm just going to watch my dog one moment. Make sure he doesn't go after the sheep. He's usually pretty good, to be fair. He's not really interested. So, yeah. So we're going to set off here. And we're going to see how long it takes from this point. I've just read it's restricted to 12 cars per day. So you can get permits that are purchased online at www.collegevalley.co.uk. £10 per vehicle. It also says to watch out for adders. So if you have got a dog, something to be wary of. This is a plain memorial. I might as well show you. Been walking for quite a while, so this is quite a long hike. I mean, it's been reasonably flat so far. There is also quite a lot of sheep, so if your dog is prone to chasing sheep, you must keep them on a lead. So just coming a little bit closer so you can see. Dedicated to the memory of the airmen who lost their lives on the Cheviot Hill as a result of the Second World War. So that's pretty nice. And obviously we're going to be heading up this way. So this is the Roll of Honour. So this is the list of people, as you can see. It's pretty nice. I was trying to show you a little heron that's flying. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro because obviously it's quite far away. But I wanted to try and pick that up. Imagine living in there, right in the middle of the sticks. Pretty cool, right, with the grass roof. So we're going to take a left here at this sign, over the cattle grid. Todd already thinks. So here we have the hostel. It took roughly maybe 1 hour to walk from where we're parked down to here. I believe that you can purchase a permit for £10 online, and well, it doesn't look like anyone's parked in there, but yeah, this is it. This is the hostel. Just wanted to show the terrain on what you're walking on after the bunkhouse. Just give you a little view. So it's pretty stunning. The dog's having a wonderful time. He's hyper, running backwards and forwards. It's honestly a perfect day for February. I couldn't have planned this any better, to be honest. So we're just on following the river. So it's really easy. So this is the little bothy. You'll be able to hear the river flowing just over there. Todd's in the bothy. I'm going to continue on this way. And I'm hoping just round the corner it'll be where we need to be. I hope. Just want to show the view behind. So down here, all the cheviots. So on a nice clear day, just as good as the Lake District, if not better. What do we think? So this part's super boggy, just as a heads up, as you can see. So we're round the corner and the ground's a tiny little bit frozen, so it's not as boggy as what it would be in the summer, which is good. So we've got a tiny bit of frost, which is nice. Now I think it's just in here, so we'll take a look at it. Apparently as well, there's more waterfalls the higher up you get. I'm just going to check this out, see how much water flow there is, as it doesn't sound like there's a lot. So there's the first little bit of waterfall, and as you can see it comes down there, down the valley, and just literally around this corner now. So I'd imagine if you want a nice little plunge pool, then there we go, a little jacuzzi maybe. Come on Todd, let's keep going. As you can see, it's in the background there. And there we have it. However, yeah, look at that. You know when I said it was frozen over? Well, one part wasn't frozen over and I trusted it. Look at that. So we'll be washing that in the water by the looks of things. And there we have it. Three Sisters Waterfall. Just wanted to show you the pink sky. The battery's dying, but it's nearly 5 PM and we are... Is it pink?